Hey everybody, Jeff here. Well, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the blower motor resistor in the Malibu here. What happened is on New Year's Eve, after leaving my New Year's Eve celebration, I got in and started the car to let it warm up, turned on the blower, and nothing. It didn't come on at all. And on the way there, it was vibrating. So couldn't get it turned on at all. The next day, on New Year's Day, I got out and started messing with it. I pulled the blower motor out, and the thing was just all jammed full of ice. So I took it in, let it thaw out for a couple hours, tested it, and it was still working again. So I put it back in, but I only have high position. First of all, the 30 amp fuse under the hood was blown for the HVAC. So I replaced that, but I only have high now. So see, if I go to any of the other positions, fan speeds, I'm not getting anything at all. So my thinking is I probably burned up the resistor. So now all I got is high. So I'm going to replace the resistor. So to get to it, let me get the light turned on here. I'm working in my parents' garage here. When I worked on it the other day, I was working in the snow in my driveway. I didn't take any video of that. So basically, and this will be the procedure for taking the motor out as well. First of all, you got two panels under here, which I've already taken out. I never put them back in. But you got a push pin here. You pull that out. There's a little panel here. And there's another panel with a screw up in that end and on that end. You just take those two screws out and pull the panel out. And the next thing, if I can, I don't know if this is going to show up on camera or not, but this is the body control module computer. You want to pull that to the side and drop that down and move it out of the way. And now you can access the blower motor and the resistors behind there, where that other connector is towards the back. So I'm going to pull that out, pull the motor out first. Okay, I'm using a 736 seconds inch socket. I don't know if that's the exact size or if it's metric or not, but it works. So, I hope the camera's seeing this. I just kind of got it sitting on the, it's probably not. So let me set this up to where I can think it's gonna show something here. So recording? Yep. I have no idea whether that's getting any view or not, but and there's 3 screws in here. At least there's supposed to be 3 screws holding the motor on. I'm missing one, and that was already missing. Somebody had replaced this sometime in the past before I had it, because this is a cheap made in China motor. So I just loosen these out. Because I can't get both hands in here to hold the motor up while I pull it out. Okay, we'll disconnect the connector. Okay, hopefully the camera's recording now. I already got one screw out of the resistor. So let me see if I can get a view on this again. Hopefully this is showing up, because I can't tell whether it is or not. I had to get an open-end wrench to get to this back screw, because the ratchet won't fit in there, so we'll just have to keep cranking on this to get it out. Okay, here's the resistor, and it's hard to tell. Okay, we're just gonna hook the just plug everything in and test everything out, and see if this might be the problem before I mount it back in there. So we'll plug the new one in. Okay, that was the problem. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's mount everything back in. Okay, the resistor's in. Now they get the motor back up in there. Okay, everything's mounted in, hooked up. Let me give another final test here. Off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're good to go. Okay, the next thing is slide this BM body module computer back in here. Yeah, BS, because I think these are totally unnecessary and I hate them. I don't like my radio to stay on 10 minutes after I shut off the ignition. If I want to listen to it, I can turn it to accessory. Okay, here we go. Now we're up in there. Okay, now I'll put the bottom of the instrument panel back on. Okay, we'll see if this is showing up on camera. I can figure out how to get this back up into there. It's got to go in this. Okay, it slides up in there like so. I got a couple. Got a screw that goes into here, and I'm using this is a 7mm socket. I think that. Okay, after much trial and tribulation, I finally got that piece up in here. Now I just gotta get this little doohickey up in there. I figure out which way this goes. Like so, I believe. Hooks under somehow. There's a slat. Alright, where'd that push pin go? It's got this thing here, and just shove her back into there and push it in. Okay, that's in. It's all together. I burned out my bulb, but I think I got another one for it. I should have pulled it out in the first place. So, that's the blower motor resistor replacement for a 2001 Chevy Malibu. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.